Anthropic just supercharged your Office apps with AI that remembers everything across Excel and PowerPoint. Workflow just got unstoppable. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Thursday, March 12th, 2026. Anthropic's Claude now shares full conversational context across Excel and PowerPoint files, letting you update spreadsheets and build pitch decks seamlessly. One-click skills turbocharge tasks with instant AI help. Amazon's Health AI breaks out of Prime and One Medical silos to answer health questions, explain labs, renew prescriptions, and book appointments with ease. A fresh ActiveTrack study warns, using AI for 7 to 10% of your work hours hits peak productivity. Go overboard, and you just pile on more tasks without working smarter. Figma just integrated directly into anything, slashing barriers between design and coding. It's a game changer for creative workflows, pulling in massive social buzz with 1.7 million views. Replit's Agent 4 pioneers creative collaboration between humans and AI agents. It's designed for smooth teamwork and already hit 1 million views on social media. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI tool boosts your work in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.